welcome to my channel. My name is Ann, and today I am unboxing another Stitch Fix. It's a little bitty box, but it's kind of hefty. So I will tell you a little bit about Stitch Fix, but I'll have most of the information in the description down below. It is a styling service. You give them your wants and needs and your style and all kinds of things. You fill out a survey. They will send you 5 pieces. Keep what you love, send back what you don't in a postage paid envelope that they provide you. If you want to try it for the first time, I'll have a link below where you will get $25 off your first box, and I'll get $25 off my my next box. So there's that. Always a note from your stylist. I seem to be getting a different stylist every single time. Carly. I've never had Carly. This is so funny. I really do. I think they must think we can't seem to please her, you try. Let's get into it and see what they sent me. First we have Marley Flutter Sleeve Top by West K, not Key. It's cute, but multicolored, very light. It kind of feels like linen. I think that's really cute. Next we have the Daisy Button Back Detail Knit Tee by Pink Clover. But this in the front, and then it's got the buttons all the way down the back. So next, this is 41 Hawthorn, so let me find that. This is the Tiffany Tulip Sleeve Blouse. This is really cute. There. Longer in the back than in the front. It's got a little V-neck and then ruffles around the collar, and then the cute little tulip sleeves. And it's kind of a cream color. Next, okay, now we've got some shorts. First one, this is the Democracy Adler Roll Cuff Bermuda short. I just got a pair of, I think I got it from Stitch Fix. I kept in one of my last Stitch Fixes, a pair of, they weren't this khaki, they were a little grayer. They were also shorter. This is a length to me that I do not like on me, but we will give it a try. Cute with these, which I'm sure is how they want me to wear it. And then last, another Democracy, the Michelle Absolution Capri, straight leg pant, not shorts. Okay, I like this color a lot. It's a pretty light green. Curve Equality. Engineered to lift, expand, and enhance for a universal fit, because all shapes are different but created equal. Democracy. So very cute. They are cuffed at the bottom, zipper down the front, pockets in the front. Very cute. Let's go try these on and see what we think. It really does look promising. All right. This is the Pink Clover Daisy Button Back Detail in navy, $36. The back detail. And then the Bermuda shorts are Democracy Adler Roll Cuff Bermuda Short in khaki, size 6, $64. These are really cute. I rolled them up. They hit me right in the middle of my knee, which that is such a weird length. I think these are pretty cute. My legs they need a fake tan, among other things. But anyway, these are really cute. And like she said, super versatile. She gave me some suggestions from things in previous fixes that would be cute with both of these, which I very much appreciate. Transcend has sent me recently 2 things in my boxes that I bought from Trendsend. So I appreciate that Stitch Fix is at least keeping up with me. So here's this, like I said, $36 and $64. So I will be back with the next outfit. These are the Democracy Michelle Absolution Capri something in mint, size 6, $78. I think they're cute. I like the color. I don't know if I like the fit or not. I could not do a 4, but super comfortable. It's got the roll, the cuff at the bottom, front pockets, and then this top is the West K Marley Flutter sleeve top, off-white, size small, $40. I think this is cute. I like the colors of it. I like this pattern, this kind of abstract thing going on. But it is tight across the bust. And I thought, well, I could exchange it, but then it would be too big here. I don't like super drapey here. But I couldn't figure out how to make this look like really cute, but so I did a side tuck. You can also do a tuck and then out. I will show you. It's just like, I think a medium would just be, this would not be something I would like. So that is this. Let me show you. Also this top goes really well with the shorts. So I'll be back with the last top with these pants. Okay, I think I saved the best for last. I think this is cute. This made me like these pants better than I thought I would. I tucked it in, or did a front tuck, and here it is, and it's longer in the back, which I like. There we go. I think it's really cute. Let me look at the detail up close. The sleeves, these little flutter sleeves are cute. I like the neck. This is not too tight across the chest. And then it's got the really pretty, and this would go with, cute with jeans, with so much. This is 41 Hawthorne Tiffany Tulip sleeve blouse, white, size small, $58. Let me go get everything, and I will be back with a wrap up and let you know how I'm leaning, and you can tell me what you think. Be right back. All right, let's go through it again really quickly. I like these. I think they're really cute. They're really comfortable. There's nothing wrong with these shorts. I just don't know. This is the West K Marley Flutter sleeve top. I don't think I'm going to keep this. Like I said, it was too tight across the chest, and the rest of it just wouldn't have. A size medium would have not fit me, I don't think, all over. This I'm thinking about keeping. This is just super versatile. Jeans, shorts, whatever you want to do. And this I'm going to think really hard on. I really like this, and it too would be really cute with jeans or black pants, or dress it up, dress it down. I just think it's really cute. And it is the 41 Hawthorne Tiffany Tulip sleeve blouse. And then the mint green pants, I'll have to think on these too. I like them. They're very comfortable. I don't know if I am just so used to skinny jeans that I don't know if these are fitting me right. I don't know. I think they are. I think I'm just so used to things squeezing my thighs in that it just feels different. But anyway, let me give you a really quick rundown on the price. The stylist pick subtotal $276. That's kind of high. Buy all discount 25% off is less $69, and that leaves the order total minus tax at $207, even plus tax. So I don't know. I'll have to think what I'm leaning towards. Pretty sure I'll keep this little thing. I'm thinking on the khaki shorts, and I'm thinking on this. So let me know what you think. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time, y'all. Bye-bye.